The innovative investor Cathie Wood, who is well known for her bold decisions, has once again created headlines. This time, however, the story behind the scenes, which contains the secret to solving the puzzles surrounding Tesla stock, is more important than just the numbers. However, why now and why the sale? The complexities of investor emotion, market dynamics, and the ever-changing nature of innovation hold the keys to the solutions. Keep an eye out because there are many curves on the road ahead, and we're here to help you navigate them. To remain up to date on all things Tesla, click the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News first. Let's get going now. The electric world is booming and battery charging isn't the only thing going on. This evening, we're discussing the game-changing electric vehicle giant Tesla and their exciting plans for 2023. First, let's discuss changes that are affordable. Luxury electric car affordability is being redefined by Tesla. In technical masterpiece, the US Model 3 ERW is making its way onto the streets, now reduced in price by a welcome $1,250 to $38,990, making it even more magnificent. The Model 3 long range and performance is also a great option for individuals who are constantly looking for a little bit more, whether it be in the shape of speed, range, or just pure luxury. There's some good news with prices tantalizingly placed at $45,900 and a price tag of $65,900. With a staggering 25% price reduction, Tesla has made the Model I long range the star of the show for a mere $48,490. But let's cross the pond while we celebrate these price tags. There's more to Europe's buzz than the Northern Lights. Starting in Norway, Tesla is implementing strategic initiatives. Our European friends going to see any further pricing modifications in the near future, suggesting a more comprehensive European story. Every enthusiast and investor has this question on their minds. This is where things take a fascinating turn. In the midst of all the hoopla surrounding sales and price reductions, Tesla has been subtly providing significant savings on automobiles in the US and Europe. What's causing this kindness? Market analysts and industry professionals are closely examining this action, but there's more to this story than meets the eye. Tesla's output was reduced in the third quarter. There are many rumors. Or is this a calculated strategy to control and optimize inventory? Are we looking at major plant upgrades? The company's past indicates that it takes its time making judgments. Every action is deliberate, and every plan is carefully considered. Tesla continues to be at the forefront of the electric vehicle industry, influencing change, igniting discussions, and defining the future. By means of price modifications, targeted price reductions, and manufacturing adjustments, the corporation is effectively conveying its vision for the electric future. All we can do is observe, conjecture, and naturally relish the experience. Now let's shift gears and take a closer look at the financial motorway, where Tesla controls the speed and direction of its stock performance like a driver and an automobile. As you are aware, the financial market is a dynamic organism that moves in sync with the world around it, the decisions made by corporations, and the moods of investors. Furthermore, there are extensive repercussions when a player such as Tesla enters the game. What is the commotion surrounding the recent performance of Tesla stock? For some, the ride on Tesla stocks has been exhilarating, but for others, it has been nerve-wracking. There were spikes in share prices, sending them skyrocketing and surpassing their previous highs. But like any ride, there were dips, which presented an opportunity for purchase for those who thought this massive EV would be a success in the long run. If you've been observing the market graphs, you've probably noticed how resilient Tesla stocks have been in the face of slight losses. Due to their ability to reduce early losses, investors clearly have faith in Tesla's future prospects. Selling cars is only one aspect of it. The bigger picture is an electric, sustainable future, with Tesla playing a crucial part in realizing that vision. More specifically, current rumors about strategic discounts and production reductions have fueled financial discussions. Some contend that these actions raise warning flags and may indicate issues with demand. Some, however, see them as calculated choices that guarantee inventory minimization and uncompromising quality. Tentbands even ends all of these conversations. Tesla is still a big deal on Wall Street, Main Street, and all the streets in between. Wall Street also pays attention to moves made by market titans like Cathie Wood or ARK Invest companies, such as buying or selling Tesla shares. Different interpretations have been made of their recent deals. Some see it as a calculated move to increase revenues and diversify. Others interpret it as a signal to reevaluate the valuation of the EV market. as it demonstrates the story of Tesla's stock performance is one of vision, ambition, strategy, and resiliency, not merely something of interest to those with a background in finance. All eyes are on the company's voyage, which promises to alter modern economics and mobility as it forges through the byways of invention and the highways of business. Certain themes stand out and garner international attention in the vast financial tapestry, where each thread relates a story of risks, rewards, tactics, and visions. One such story that combines financial savvy with the future of automotive technology is Tesla's. In the midst of this developing plot, Cathie Wood, driving force behind ARK Invest, an investment management company renowned for its bold future wagers, emerges as another significant figure. These days, it would be impossible to discuss ARK Invest without mentioning its unwavering dedication to disruptive innovations. ARK has demonstrated a continuous ability to predict the direction of technology breakthroughs ranging from fintech to genomics. Its steadfast faith in the electric vehicle revolution, with Tesla at its center, has been nothing short of legendary despite its wide range of investments. Let's explore this intriguing partnership of vision, strategy, and trust in more detail. Transactions involving Tesla by ARK Investment Management have been plentiful and thought-provoking in recent trading histories. Making attention was a large unload of roughly 97,599 Tesla shares on what seemed to be an average day. A smaller trade of 107 shares came just after this. And by the end of the week, 16,617 shares had been sold. Even while these actions have great worth, their consequences are even more enormous. But one can wonder what influences these choices. In the world of investments, impressions, storylines, and future paths are just as important as numbers. Cathie Wood, who is renowned for her rigorous study and unconventional viewpoints, may be able to identify future directions, patterns, and trends that many others would miss. ARK's diversified portfolio, other developing prospects, or even a better way to capitalize on Tesla's future potential could be the reason behind these sales, rather than a sign of waning faith in Tesla's mission. Deeper examination of ARK's ETF architecture yields some important information. Tesla continues to be a major player in ARK's portfolios, even with the recent sales, especially in its flagship ETFs, the ARK Innovation ETF and the ARK Next Generation Internet. These allocations demonstrate ARK's unwavering faith in Tesla's ability to revolutionize energy and mobility in the ensuing decades. However, ARK's actions, particularly its recent sales, have caused people to take notice and get curious. Does ARK anticipate a change in the dynamics of the EV market? Do they expect Tesla's path to take an unexpected turn? Or are they just putting themselves in a better position to win in the long run? Like in the complex chess game that is the stock market. Remember that the entire ecosystem surrounding EVs is rapidly changing as new startups are revealing game-changing innovations and established automakers are stepping up their electric ambitions. The terrain both promising and demanding at the same time. ARK Invest may be adjusting its tactics to maximize returns from this dynamic sector due to its razor-sharp emphasis on the future. Moreover, there's yet more to unravel from Cathie Wood's public observations and thoughts. Wood, who is renowned for her open conversations, has frequently stressed the value of agility in investing strategies, making sure that ARK's portfolios are best positioned to take advantage of disruptive developments, even if it necessitates making difficult short-term decisions. This dance between ARK Invest and Tesla is captivating. It's a ballad of figures, ideas, plans, and expectations. Investors, analysts, and financial aficionados are riveted and can't wait to see this dynamic duo's next move as they continue to create waves on the international scene. Cheers to the ever-evolving stories like these, the electrifying aspirations, smart plays, and unwavering spirit of invention that keep the financial world turning. While the fascinating tale of Tesla and ARK Invest unfolds, we also need to discuss another group, the analysts. Consider them as the unseen investigators who assist the public in comprehending the activities of businesses and their stocks. They conduct extensive study and draw on their expertise to create well-informed predictions regarding potential future developments. Speaking about Tesla is about more than simply its renowned CEO, Elon Musk, or its sleek vehicles. It has to do with how the corporate world is evolving new technologies, worldwide trends, and consumer attitudes towards the market. Here, the experts serve as our guides, assisting us in understanding all of the significant and minor developments pertaining to Tesla. Analysts have been discussing Tesla's recent pricing changes, among other things. Although Many consumers are pleased with their lower car costs. Other analysts have concerns. How come Tesla cut its prices? Is Tesla attempting to increase sales, or is there more competition these days? Alternatively, are they figuring out how to cut the cost of cars and giving the savings to consumers? Expert Dan Ives, who frequently discusses Tesla, expressed surprise at these price adjustments. The price reduction, he remarked, was obviously somewhat unexpected. This demonstrates how even industry specialists might be taken aback by Tesla's next move. Ives also questioned when Tesla's vehicle costs will stabilize and cease fluctuating so sharply. Analysts are also interested in other aspects of Tesla's business, such as its recent decrease in car production, in addition to pricing. For what reason did they act in such a way? Was it merely an improvement for their factories, or perhaps they are attempting to balance the quantity of cars they produce with the amount of demand in order to avoid having an excess of unsold vehicles? While we observe what Tesla does, such as lowering pricing or producing fewer vehicles, experts provide insight into potential motivations. For instance, analysts believe that Tesla may benefit when certain auto workers at Ford and General Motors went on strike. Why? Tesla may have an advantage over its rivals because they do not have these kind of worker strikes. However, analysts do not only report on current events, they also make educated guesses regarding potential future developments. A review of Tesla's stock performance, global expansion strategy, and upcoming product releases are all included. They attempt to create a picture of what might happen next using all of these bits of knowledge. The experts help us make sense of it all as we're all watching the significant swings made by investors like Cathie Wood and corporations like Tesla. They provide us with clues regarding potential future events in addition to reporting on current events. As we conclude our in-depth exploration of the dynamic worlds of Tesla, ARK Invest, and our analytical specialists' thoughts, it is clear that both the automotive and investing environments are changing quickly. We've examined the price fluctuations of Tesla, the calculated actions of Cathie Wood and ARK Invest, and the opinions of industry experts on these key bets. Will Tesla go next in this wild ride of shifting markets and investing philosophies? And how will these changes be influenced or responded to by influential investors and market analysts? Or if you like today's research and would like to receive updates on any news pertaining to Tesla stock, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you soon.